Chair of Physical Education, Health, and Driver Education here at Hinsdale Central High School.
Very impressive. We're very lucky today, everyone. Why am I here? What are we going to talk about today?
Today, Rob, we're going to talk about approaches to a healthy lifestyle.
I like the sound of that. Would you please explain it to dry erase board here?
Yes, let's go.
Alright, well here we are at the board and, balance, strength, and power. That looks kind of familiar, as if it were in an illusional pyramid. Very interesting.
Yes.
What do we got here?
Well, Rob, this is kind of the concept we've drawn off from you. We were lucky enough to have Rob, going for greatness, come into our school and work with our fitness and strength classes about these three components. And now we've incorporated it not only into our curriculum, but also we start talking about some life skills that the kids can utilize this in as well.
Awesome, Janelle. Can you further explain what we have going on here?
Sure, absolutely. So one of the big concepts that we have here at Hinsdale Central in our physical education department is taking a positive approach towards a healthy lifestyle with all the stress that our students face on a daily basis, from homework to grades, college applications. We feel we're kind of the foundation and also kind of their social emotional coach to help them, guide them through handling these types of situations. So when Rob came into our school and worked with our teachers and our students about this whole concept of a pyramid, with balance being the foundation, strength being where we want to kind of center ourselves and build, and then the power of that kind of explosion, we felt like we could also take that and incorporate it into life skills. So what we've done is not only developed some programs for our students, tested them, kind of see where they work physically, and then help guide them build a program, a fitness program off of these three components. But then we've also kind of gone into a social emotional coaching, and we've talked about how we can incorporate this into life skills as well. So when we talk about balance, we look at, and you health teachers out there know this, if we looked at Maslow's hierarchy of needs. How can we balance our lives to make sure that we have the foundation of just our basics of eating right, sleep, some exercise, that social aspect of good family time, time with our friends, but also kind of volunteering. And then the strength part, well, that can come in with academics, right? We focus on our schoolwork, we make some goals, some short-term and long-term goals, but then here's where everybody, the greatness comes in, right? Is the power. So we explode from there. This is kind of the, what would you say? This is where the college application comes into, or the direction in life you want to go, or maybe it's even you want to learn a trade. So those things start to kind of funnel in so we can have a better concentration on this overall concept of a healthier lifestyle.
Great explanation, and outside of this realm, let's talk about you personally. Has this really affected your own personal life?
Yes. And I will tell you, I must admit, I'm starting to get to that number, 50, and the body's breaking down. And I'm incorporating or kind of coming into play with some different life challenges. So I have actually built upon this. I've gone away from some rigorous exercises that have broken down my body to start to figure out what I need to balance, not only in my nutrition and fitness, but also in my daily life. I've learned how to strength train a better way, but also work on goals that I have, career, and then just day-to-day goals. And then the power part of it is just really kind of utilizing my platform as a department chair to get out and kind of work with my staff, and then also kind of help and guide them.
Well, there you have it. You heard it here. John Marconi, Department Chair, Physical Education, Hinsdale Central. Obviously, very, very impactful pyramid we're talking about. Obviously, changed her life as well as the kids, and hopefully it'll change yours. Until then, I'll see you next time.